Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update loading spinners and skeletons for perceived speed, full guide step by step clearly. To effectively update loading spinners and skeletons, start by evaluating your current loading indicators. Identify the types of content users typically wait for. Research best practices for loading animations tailored to your specific user experience. Choose a design aesthetic that aligns with your brand and enhances user engagement. Select appropriate animation speeds to create a sense of urgency without causing frustration. Implement skeleton screens for content that loads slowly, ensuring they give a preview of what is to come. Use lightweight animations to minimize performance impact on your application. Test different variations of loading spinners to find the most visually appealing and functional option. Gather user feedback to determine how well your loading indicators meet their expectations. Iterate on your design based on this feedback, continuously refining for improved perception of speed. Ensure accessibility considerations are met, including text alternatives for users relying on assistive technologies. Monitor loading times after implementation to analyze the impact of your updated spinners and skeletons. Adjust your approach as needed, utilizing analytics to inform any further revisions. Consistency across all pages will reinforce your branding while allowing users to remain oriented during loading periods. Prioritize maintaining an engaging experience, ensuring loading indicators effectively manage user expectations. Keep experimenting with different techniques to enhance perceived speed, fostering a positive user experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.